we are going to make a card. So in this card, we're going to make a lion. Now let's start off with the lion. First, what we're going to do, we're going to take this pencil compass and put it in the middle. Then we're going to draw a very light circle. After you're done drawing the circle, you are going to make some lines in the middle and a tiny bit under the middle. And remember, don't make these too dark, so at the end we're going to erase these stuff. So don't make them too dark. First we're going to take it in the middle and draw a line. Make sure the line's very straight. Make sure you don't press too hard. Then, just a little bit beneath, you draw another line. And then what you do, you take a pencil and you draw a dot right over here. Then what you do, draw a dot where you want it to start. You just make it come down. Then do the same thing over here. Then you make it come down. Then what you do, you take it, and what you do, you just make a line in the middle of these two sections. And remember not to draw these too dark. Then you draw a dot in the middle of these. Then you make it come back, come back. That is your nose. And then make a dot here, make it come down to there. Make a dot over here, make it come over here. Same thing over here, make a dot here, come to here. Now, that's your face. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take it. What you're going to do, you are going to draw a dot here. You're going to make it go in. Same thing over here. And then you're going to make it come up to here. Like this. Same thing over here. Now, we're going to make the eyes. The eyes are going to be like a little close up. Like this. Same thing over here. Then you bring it down. And that's one eye. And same thing over here with the other eye. Then you do, we're going to draw the inside of it. Draw like this, make a little dot inside of it. Then color it in. Same thing over here. Make one, color it in. And there. Here are your eyes. Now we're going to make our eyebrows. Take it, come back. Now, I'm going to take it and do the same eyebrows on this side. Those are your eyebrows. Now, what we're going to do, you're going to make a dot right in the middle over here. You're going to take it to here and take it to here. Like that. Then, what we're going to do, we're going to take it, and we're going to take it, and get it to the edge of this line. Same thing over here. Take it to the edge of that line. Then, what we're going to do, we're going to put it like that. Like this. Same thing over here. Put it like that. Now, what we're going to do, our face is done, so now we're going to do the ears. The ears are going to be like one curve and the other curve. Same thing on this side. One curve and the other curve. Now we're going to do the inside of the ears. Same thing, but a little smaller so we can fit in. There, they are the ears. Now we're going to make the hair. And make sure your hair is not small like that. It needs to be up to here because it's very big. Then you take it to here, comes out, for the mane, for the hair, I'm going to use is orange, red, and peaches for the mane. And for the face, it's going to be black for the whiskers and eyes, yellow for the face, and brown is for the mouth and stuff. Coloring this, you're gonna take this white paper cardstock and you're gonna take this crown. I thought it would look nice to make this lion have a crown on, and you need a background color too. So the colors I chose is blue and green. The reason I chose these is because the green could be like the trees and the bushes, and the blue could be the sky above. So when you're sticking this onto here, make sure that you stick this a little low so you can fit the crown. And after you're done fitting the crown under, you're going to write something above it. So you need a little space to write. They really give nice color. So now, once you have your background colored in, we're gonna take our crown and we're gonna just take this felt glue and we're gonna open it up. And what we're going to do, we're gonna stick some glue onto the back of the crown. And after we're done sticking the glue on the back of the crown, what we are going to do, you're going to take the lion and stick it on Now, what I'm going to write, I'm going to take a black marker and I'm going to write, "You are king for a day." Thank you for watching Toys from Heaven.